Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Oral Health Management by Dr. Alka Khade. Today we are going to discuss about the braces. There are several types of braces that we recommend to improve alignment of the teeth. Number 1 is the metal braces. Number 2 is the ceramic braces. Number 3 is the lingual braces. And number 4 is the invisible aligners. Now the types of orthodontic treatment. Number 1 is the metal braces. Metal braces are what most people think of when they hear braces. Stainless steel brackets and wires that attach to your teeth with rubber bands. These rubber bands are available in variety of colors and many patients enjoy customizing their braces. They are still the most common type of braces. These braces made of high grade stainless steel. Metal braces are very small and thin, strengthening your teeth with high-tech arch wires. Now number 2 is ceramic braces. Ceramic braces are braces made of clear tooth-colored material. They work in the same way as metal braces but are more discreet and less visible compared to metal braces. Ceramic braces are less noticeable and present an affordable alternative to metal braces. Usually metal braces gives the unpleasant appearance of a mouth because it filled with the metal parts, but in ceramic braces there are only the wire is in the metal part. The other parts are in ceramic, white in color, so it looks pleasant. Now number 3 is lingual braces. The lingual braces are placed behind the teeth rather than in front, making them invisible to others when you smile. This makes them a great option for patients with cosmetic concern regarding braces. The entire metal appliances and brackets are customized to match the shape of your teeth exactly. These braces are a great option for athletes, models, actors, actresses, musicians who play wind instruments and adult professionals. But it is more expensive than traditional braces since they take longer to adjust. Now the number 4 is invisible aligners. They are also called as clear aligners. Clear aligners are invisible trays resembling mouth guards that acts as a braces to strengthen your teeth. These aligners are custom made, comfortable acrylic trays that can be removed at any time, allowing you to eat and drink what you want while working towards a better smile. Being able to remove the aligners makes it easy to brush and floss your teeth. Another benefit to clear aligner is that they will not cause mouth abrasion during treatment since they are not made of metal. This is the best orthodontic treatment option nowadays. Clear aligners are a modern alternative to traditional braces that move your teeth gradually without interfering with your everyday life. They are transparent trays that are custom made to fit over your teeth and can be removed so that you can brush, floss and eat like you normally would. Now the patient always asks us what is good age for braces. Some children start their orthodontic treatment as young as 6. However, most agree that the best age to get braces or another form of treatment is between age of 8 to 14, which is when the head and mouth are most conducive to strengthening. One of my patients asked me, can I get braces at 30s? Simply put, there is actually no age limit for someone to get braces. According to the Indian Dental Association of Orthodontics, there is a high number of patients fitted with dental braces every day over the age of 18. Typically, the only requirement dental professionals have is a healthy jawbone and permanent teeth. This is the patient from my clinic. You can see upper and lower. We put the ceramic braces. Her age is 56-year-old. Total span of period is maximum 1 to 1.5 year to 2 years. It depends upon the crowding and the malocclusion of the patient. It varies from patient to patient. If the patient comes at an early age, childhood, it will take less time than the patient that comes at 40s or 50s. Do teeth become weak after braces? This is the most common question asked by the patient. All braces do is help push them into their desired places and hold them there so that they stabilize. The true risk for weakened teeth is damage from severe root infection or gum disease that destroy the jawbone, and this is less likely to happen once orthodontic treatment improves your bite and closes tooth gaps. Now one more question. Are the braces painful? The honest answer is that the braces do not hurt at all when they are applied to the teeth. So there is no reason to be anxious about the placement appointment. There will be mild soreness or discomfort after the orthodontic wire is engaged into the newly placed brackets, which may last for a few days to a week. One more question always asked by the patient: can a 5-year-old get braces? There is no set age for a child's first orthodontic visit. Some kids go when they are at 6, some kids go when they are at 10, some goes when they are teen. Even adults can need orthodontic treatment. Many orthodontists say kids should see an orthodontist once their permanent teeth starts coming in around age of 7. So friends, if you need any ortho treatment, think twice before you start. But I advise you, do your dental checkup regularly. Your doctor will find out which is the best treatment for you. Thank you. See you soon with the next video. Bye-bye.